We have already studied that economics is a science of choice. Since there are various possibilities, we have to choose the best among them. A good choice is one whose marginal utility is more than that of its alternatives. The value of the next best we give up is the opportunity cost. J.S. Mill, who first put forward this idea, he defined it as the loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one alternative is chosen. It is the next best alternative product or service that has been sacrificed or foregone. Opportunity cost refers to the opportunities we inevitably lose whenever we make a choice. That means when an option is chosen from alternatives, the opportunity cost is the cost incurred by not enjoying the benefit associated with the best alternative choice. For example, we have 24 hours in a day for us. We have two choices, going to work or enjoying leisure. The cost of work, the opportunity cost of work is equal to the leisure we skipped. When we study for 2 hours, we are foregoing our leisure for 2 hours. So, the opportunity cost of study is the leisure we give up. Here, the main resources is time. Since the resources are scarce, we must make a trade-off between these two opportunities. Thus, opportunity cost is equal to what we sacrifice divided by what we gain. Now let us see the marginal opportunity cost. This is the additional cost in terms of number of units sacrificed to produce an extra unit of the other good. That means change in sacrifice divided by change in gain. The following table will help us to calculate the marginal opportunity cost of producing wheat than rice. The table shows various production possibility combinations like A, B, C, D and E. In combination A, we can produce 10 units of rice but no wheat. The combination B shows wheat production increased from 0 to 1 unit by reducing rice production from 10 to 9. Thus, marginal opportunity cost of wheat is equal to 10 minus 9 divided by 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. In combination C, marginal opportunity cost of wheat is equal to 9 minus 7 divided by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 1 equal to 2. Thus, marginal opportunity cost goes on increasing. Now let us see the relationship between marginal opportunity cost and production possibility curve. When marginal opportunity cost increases, decreases or remain constant, then production possibility curves are concave, convex and linear. When MOC increases, PPC is concave. When MOC decreases, PPC is convex to origin. When MOC is constant, PPC is linear. Thus, changes in MOC causes different shapes of PPC.